I hope you are all good. Now let's start our English class. Today we are going to learn about the wonderful lesson. The topic of the lesson is The Milkman of India, which is written by Varghese Kurian. Before move to the lesson, we have to know about the Dr. Varghese Kurian. Dr. Varghese Kurian was responsible for turning India from a milk deficient country to the largest producer of milk in the world today. His enduring personality and commitment of turning the impossible into possible won his many awards. After a lifetime of struggle and conviction towards receiving the nation, Dr. Varghese Kurian will always be remembered as the person who defined the meaning of milk as a powerful tool for economic development. Now we move to the lesson. The year was 1946. A young graduate from Guindy College of Engineering in Madras applied for a government scholarship to study metallurgy and nuclear physics abroad. What do you know about pasteurization? The interviewer asked the young man. Something to do with milk, was the young man interviewer response. Yes, you are right, and you have been selected for a scholarship to study dairy engineering, said the interviewer. This young man was Varghese Kurian. He was individually disappointed because he had no interest in dairy engineering. Nevertheless, he left for the United States in 1946 to study at the Mexican State University. At the university, he was happy that he got mechanical engineering as the main subject with dairy engineering as a minor subject. After studying in the US, Kurian came back to India in 1946. He was asked to join as a dairy engineer in the government research Screamy at Anand, a village in the Kaira district of Gujarat. In return for the scholarship paid by the government, on 13 May 1946, Kurian landed in Anand. However, he could not find suitable accommodation in Anand and had to settle for the rank of the dairy. It was dilapidated small room and Kurian repaired it on his own. He made windows in the walls and bathroom with iron steels. In Anand, Kurian found that a clever businessman, Pastelji Edelji, owner of Palson Dairy, was fooling the farmers. Pastelji was selling product at higher price and paying the farmers less for their product. Varghese Kurian was touched by a plight of farmers, inspired by Tribhuvandas Patel, the leader of farmers. Kurian gave idea about helping farmers from their own milk cooperatives. He even helped them in the selection of machines. However, unhappy with his joy, Kurian wanted to get out of Anand as quickly as possible. By the end of 1946, he was all set and eager to pack off to Mumbai, but that did not happen. Tribhuvandas Patel requested Kurian to stay back. His simple plea was, "We need you here." Kurian accepted Tribhuvandas Patel's suggestions and joined the Kaira Cooperative as their general manager in 1950. He never regretted that decision. Varghese Kurian worked with a simple vision to help farmers so that they could control their resource and not be exploited by middlemen. On 15 November 1954, the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, laid the foundation for the dairy plant at Anand, the world's first plant to manufacture milk powder from buffalo milk. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru inaugurated this plant in October 1955. The Kaira cooperatives now needed to focus on proper advertising and branding. A chemist at the Kaira laboratory suggested the name Amul, which is derived from the Sanskrit word Amulya, meaning priceless. Anand Milk United Limited and the name Amul was formally registered in 1957. Amul grew from strength to strength thanks to the inspired leaderships of Trivandrum Patel, founder, chairman and committed to Dr. Varghese Kurian. A Amul pattern established itself as an ideal model for rural development, and it's played an essential role in the lives of women farmers, making them economically independent. In 1967, when then Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri visited Amul in Anand, he was impressed by the way Amul was sourcing milk from the farmers and helping them improve their economic condition. Lal Bahadur Shastri asked Dr. Kurian to replicate the Amul model across the country. The team worked out that the government would need to give around 650 crore rupees for this initiative. The state authorized immediately rejected the plan. Even though the Amul brand was registered, Dr. Varghese Kurian now wanted to be sure that there was an advertising agent to promote the brand. In 1966, Sylvester Da Kanya of Advertising and Sales Promotion was endured with the task of creative and advertisement. He and his wife came up with the tagline, "Utterly butterly delicious Amul." Even though the word butterly seemed doubtful because it was ungrammatical, it worked for the brand. The country saw the birth of the campaigns that continued to charm all till date. When the first few ads appeared in Bombay, everyone found the ad very cute. The advertisement was a winner. The Amul girl, with her clever catchphrases and her love for butter, is one of the most famous mascot Indian advertising has seen. Around the year 1968, there was a sheer pulps produce of milk in the European country, so much so that they had no clue what to do with the milk. Dr. Kurian realized that was an opportunity. That year at the World Food Program, Dr. Kurian pleaded the country to donate milk to India. Dr. Kurian stressed that he could sell the milk at the regular prince in India and use the earning to repeat the Amul model throughout the country. Impressed by Kurian's plans, they agreed to his proposal and Operation Flight or the White Revolution was born. For the first time, an institute of national importance was established in village and not in the captive city. Dr. Varghese Kurian, the person behind this movement, empowered milk farmers in what was once milk deficient India. Through a system designed by him, India became the world's largest producer of milk. The cooperative became a model not only in India but for development countries. throughout the world. What started as cooperative society to help farmers of an area is today billion-dollar company. The father of the White Revolution passed away on 9 September 2012 after a brief illness. The Amul girl wept for the first time to pay homage to the great men. However, the best award that the people of the country gave him was the title Milkman of India. Now answer the following. First one, why did Dr. Kurian give an uninterested response to his interviewer? What did he study abroad? Second, describe the Amul advertising campaign. What is its significance? Third, what can Operation Flood? What was Lal Bahadur Shastri's role in it? Thank you, children. Have a nice day.